Holy crap, the rain is coming down. We've been getting thunder all day and now it just started downpouring. Holy crap. Yeah, this is the worst rain season we've gotten in years. Wow. Listen to that thunder. Holy crap. Oh my god, is that hail? I can't tell, or it's just things falling off our trees again. Oh, that is thick. Holy crap, yeah. The only reason I even started this was because my cat Tigger started freaking out. Tigger does not like rain, and this is the reason why. Wow. Holy crap. All I know is it's been windy all day, and that's all it's been, and now it just started raining. Holy crap. This way you can even see is this. This is just downpouring from our gutters. Let's see. Dad, I can't even get over here. We have a little table. Oh wow, yeah, that's wet. Oh my god. Table. Oh my god. Holy shit. Rarely do we ever... Oh, that was lightning! Oh my god! We haven't gotten lightning in forever. It's been storming this last entire month of May. Oh, that was lightning! Because we used to get like really, really good lightning storms over there, and then it just stopped one year and hasn't been like that any longer. Oh, that is awesome. I'm actually glad I got that on, I think, on camera, so I hallucinated it. Oh, it's amazing. After that, we normally just get like little claps of thunder, but that's some really good ones. Oh. What the hell? Oh, there it is again. Oh, rain's picking up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. This is, oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy shit. You're okay, puppies? Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, we haven't had this much downpour in forever. Oh my god, is that hail? Oh my god, that's hail. Oh my god! That is small hail. Oh my god, I wondered. We occasionally get little small hailstorms. Hi, Spaz! Look, Spaz, it's raining! And hailing! A little bit of hail. Holy shit! Wow! Oh my god. Our trees are just getting hammered. Oh, there goes our shed door. Shit, that thing wasn't closed. Oh my god. Holy crap. Look at that. That's spiderweb rain. I've only seen that once, and that was coming down from Cascade. Oh my god. Oh, my poor car. Oh god. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, that's cold. That is cold. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah, she's right here.
Come back in here.
They're little size of hail.
You were here, you wouldn't have the window.
Out by my room?
No.
The living room? Okay. Yeah.
It's wet in the face.
Yeah. Did you close? Oh crap, I gotta close my window. Could you go close my window? Oh my god, I forgot to close it. Oh my. Oh wow. Yeah. It's starting to move. It's starting to head over that way. So. Normally. Oh wow. Wow.
Kind of your chin got really wet.
That's okay. As long as I didn't touch any cables. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, ooh. Let's see. Get over here. Ah. That's awesome. Woo! Cold. Wow. Holy crap. Wind likes to open that door. I can hear it over there now. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. That's some deep thunder. Deep claps of them. Those are some really good claps of thunder. Ooh. Wow. If I heard these at night, they would wake me up. Oh, these would wake me up. Oh my. Oh, it is awesome. Yeah, it's starting to move over there. You can hear it. Sometimes it'll circle back. My poor car's getting rained on so bad. Oh, well. Oh, my. Whew. Probably gonna get cold after this. Summer cold. Yay! Wow. Ooh. It's picking up again. Ooh. Holy crap. Shit, our garbage can's trying to take off. Oh my god. Oh, this is awesome, guys. Ooh, I think that was lightning. I'm not sure, but I think it was. Yep. Wow, that is deep. Oh, wow. Lightning. I think it's from coming over there, but I'm not sure. I think it's over there, but I'm not sure. Where I'm standing, I can't exactly get over there. Here I am on our porch. Somewhere over there, so I'm not 100% sure. I like trying to get hit by rain. What the hell? Oh, the door opened. I'm gonna have to get my umbrella and close that after this. Wow. Oh, this is... Ooh! There was some more. There was this one rainstorm we had one year, some years back, and my mom had dropped me off with my grandmother for the weekend, and she had taken my sister with her, and they were just about to get on the freeway, and they just saw this bright white flash of lightning, and it blinded the sky for like a minute. It was so creepy. So amazing though. And we didn't get it. All we got were the thunder. No rain, nothing. And I sat out front with my grandma, and we listened to it for quite a while. That's the thing. We get claps of thunder, but no rain sometimes. Sometimes we just get lightning and thunder. No rain at all, and it's just unique. First time we've gotten lightning in a long time. Down here in the valley, well up in the mountains. If you're coming down from there and it starts raining, oh, you get clear flashes of lightning, and it's amazing. Wow. Oh, that was another one. Oh, wow. Oh shit. Oh god. Sorry guys, I just gotta move. Freaks me out slightly. I love thunder, but I hate lightning sometimes. I'm trying to like figure out where I'm supposed to stand. But we're getting clear patches of sky now, so I think it's coming to an end. Seems to move that direction, but we still get it over here, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on. Oh, shit, man. I'm gonna end it here for now, guys. I'll see you later.